Hey guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to give your doll a special hair care treatment, especially when she's entangled. And so as you can see, it's not much pretty tangled, but we're gonna give her a special makeover. She's really pretty, I really like her bangs. I really like the waviness of her hair. She's so pretty. Okay, so I think it's not much gonna take a long time. So let's start. So first of all, you need a bowl of water, and especially you need a hair conditioner. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna brush your hair consistently to remove some of the tangles. You're just gonna brush it until it's softened, and especially don't feel so sad when it comes curl, because you will get that later on. I've tried this a lot and trust me, it's gonna work. Okay, so after that you're gonna fix it all, and you're just gonna pour in the water. You're gonna put it in the water, and you're just gonna put some hair conditioner. Just let it wet, and you can use any hair conditioner you really want to. You're just gonna rinse it in her hair, just massaging it, feel the softness of the hair conditioner. Trust me guys, it will work. Some of the video you're just gonna pour them in the hot water, but I don't know, it might just damage the doll's hair because it's really hot water, but I just used some tap water. Okay, so just continue waving it. Just feel the softness of the hair conditioner. Just careful massaging it, especially the edges and the extra edges. Yeah, trust me guys, it will work. And right after you massage it, you're just gonna brush it on. Trust me, it will remove all tangles and it will work. And just see, as you can see, some of the curls were getting back as they were used to be. Just continue brushing it. Okay, so you can arrange it. And right over, you just have to wait for like 5 minutes, and you're just gonna rinse it with water again. And just make sure that the pieces of the hair conditioner will be vanished, will fade it, because it's not really too sticking up the hair conditioner in the doll's hair. Okay, so right after we wash it on, we're gonna So right after you wash her hair, we're gonna dry it with a towel. Or you can use a tissue or anything you're comfortable with. Just carefully dry it on. Just carefully drying her hair. And you're just gonna use an air dry. You're just gonna put her in the place where the place is not much solid. Okay, so you're gonna let it dry while you're gonna dry. Okay, so we're done. The hair dry is done. It's really fast. So you're just gonna brush it on again. This is very easily drying. So as you can see, some of the edges were really curly, and it's really kind of very constructible right now. You can see some of the tangles were gone. I'm just gonna brush it on because it's really soft right now. Some of the doll's hair were going to tangle because there are some locks on the doll's hair. So we're just gonna brush it on. When I have a doll, I'm just gonna put it in shampoo and brush her hair because, you know, I really love the doll hair care routine. and you guys can check it out because they do have a lot of how to take care of your dog's hair care routine. I think it was cool. Okay, so we're done, and you can just curl it on using your fingers. I just use my fingers. Okay, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. See you next time. Bye.